Players start by passing to each other in a 5-metre grid. Encourage players to be on their toes so they can quickly move into line with the ball. This will also help keep their concentration level high. It is only through well-supervised repetition that good technique develops into good habits. As a progression, the ball is now moved across the body before being played back. Numerous combinations of touch can be encouraged. For example, receive the ball with the instep of one foot and pass with the instep of the opposite foot. Control or pass with the outside of each foot. Control and pass with the same foot using different surfaces. Inside foot control, outside foot pass, and so on. Ball familiarity with lots of touches helps the player to become confident on the ball, whilst also being challenging and fun. Here you see numerous touches with the instep. Various touches are encouraged using different surfaces of the foot. The player here is comfortable using the sole of the foot to drag the ball in one direction and then the other before making the pass. The players now use a wider grid, and one player moves in and out whilst playing the ball to the other. Players learn to appreciate weighting the pass as distances are constantly changing. The ball can be kept on the floor to start and then lofted to a partner. One-touch play is encouraged, developing good habits for young players who become confident and totally natural when making a pass. Using the same size grid, players now pass and move into the next grid. This encourages movement to get into line with the ball before the player makes a pass. The players rotate after a set time or set repetition. In a game situation, most passes will be made whilst on the move, and so once the basic passing technique is okay, allow players to progress to include this movement. Players in pairs set each other up for a long pass and keep moving. Short pass, long pass, move. This move encourages players to take the weight off long passes, tidying up for a teammate to be able to choose his passing or shooting options without the need to worry about controlling the ball. This has been done for him. Once the basic technique is mastered, a defender can be introduced. This makes the practice more realistic and game related by putting pressure on the player in possession. Players learn to play with their heads up and be more alert. Players are encouraged to be clever on the ball and use their body action to disguise their intention. The defender here is passive. He is encouraged to close down play but not actively win the ball.